Today we're going to be talking about the health benefits of grapefruit. So if you're watching live, please say hello in the comments, and it's hashtag replay if you're watching on the replay. And even if you're watching on the replay on our YouTube channel, please do say hello and let us know if you've ever tried this fruit, grapefruit. So I'm Katrina and this is
Ronald.
So over to you, Ronald.
Okay, so probably a lot of you may not have come across this grapefruit, or if you've seen it, you probably decide not to buy it because it's probably foreign to you, because it's something that grows in South America and Africa and Australia and all that. So now, what is a grapefruit? It's a bit of a, if you look at the word, it's a bit misleading because it's got nothing to do with a grape, but it's called a grapefruit. It's more to do with the citrus family, okay? And it's usually can be about 3 to 4 inches in width. Normally I have one, but I haven't one today, but I'll explain it. 3 to 4 inches in width. It tend to be more citrusy and more sour so than an orange or a mandarin. Okay, but it belongs to the citrus family. So I'm going to give you a recipe at the end to show you how you can enjoy it after your breakfast. For example, after you've had your oatmeal, you can have that. Now, what are the benefits of grapefruit? It's about basically that size, right? And the idea is that you cut it in half, and then you take a knife and you cut the slices out of it. And anyway, I'll give you the rest of the recipe later. So, what are the benefits? What are the actual nutrients in grapefruit? Now, the primary nutrient in grapefruit is vitamin C. And that is very important, especially this time of the year, like we talk about April almost now, because the hay fever season is starting to come now. People have started suffering from hay fever because you've got grass pollen, you've got park pollen, you've got oak tree pollens, you've got all kinds of different trees blooming, and there's a lot of pollen in the air, which is great for the bees, but not so good for people who suffer from hay fever. So it is a very appropriate time for you to try the grapefruit maybe 1 or 3 times a week, but say maybe Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, because of the high level of vitamin C, right? And to get over that, that citrus, I'll explain later what to do. But in the meantime, let's continue. As well as vitamin C, it's not just an ordinary vitamin C; it's a C complex, which is a combination of potassium, magnesium, and say silica. And especially if you grow your own grapefruit, you can grow it here, and it grows quite well, like an orange, right? So vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, calcium, small amounts, selenium, you'll have it in there, especially if you put minerals around your trees. In addition to that, it will give you a lot of fiber, very rich in fiber, because you got that rich citrusy peels inside, and very high in fiber, which is great for your colon to be cleansed. Now, the recipe is very easy. You need to eat at least the whole grapefruit when you have it, because you don't want to cut it and then put it in the fridge because the vitamin C will evaporate. The idea is to cut it in half, get a sharp knife, and then slice inside the skin, right? So you're removing the actual flesh. Then you slice into bite-sized pieces, and then you drizzle some Manuka honey on the grapefruit. Okay, Manuka honey. Now, it is an excellent dessert after, say, breakfast, when you've had your oatmeal or some other breakfast facility. Even if you've got eggs, you can have the grapefruit afterwards. Now, so you cut the grapefruit, you put the honey on it, and you just take bite by bite, and then you scrape all the inner skin to make sure you get all the actual inner pulp, right? Now, with the addition of the honey, it makes it quite palatable. Otherwise, it's a bit tart on the mouth. But by putting the honey in, it gives you that additional amount of minerals into it to add with the vitamin C. So let us, and by the way, if you are suffering from hay fever, or you will be suffering from hay fever, like I said, it'd be a great idea to have your grapefruit once on, say, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, that will prevent a lot of the hay fever pollen that helps your nose, that makes your nose bulby and runny. Okay, so enjoy that, and let us get your feedback and see how it helps you.
So I just wanted to share also, grapefruit is one of the fruits or vegetables, if you like, that is quite difficult on the palate if
Yes.
you're not used to it.
Yes.
However, as with all things, if you're willing to try it, give it a go, then your taste buds will actually get used to it.
True.
And it's not really as hard as it is, and it's really certainly definitely more worth it than having to suffer from hay fever during the season as well.
Exactly.
So that's a wise thing to do. So try your grapefruit today. And whilst we're here, we just also wanted to remind you that we've got our latest guide, which is What Your Eyes Can Reveal About Your Health. It's a book, a small 10-page or so booklet that we wrote a few months ago, and it actually tells you how we can actually detect illnesses even before the symptoms arise from your eyes. So give us a call and give us a call if you want to have a chat with us, and also download this book. I'll share the link in the comments below as well.
One more thing I just thought of. We were looking at our picture on the screen, and you can see we've got really good skin. Well, vitamin C is absolutely vital to give you great skin. Absolutely vital, because that's what bonds the collagen in your cells of your skin, including your face. And instead of spending money on large amounts of money on very expensive commercial chemical type makeup and foundation, get your grapefruit, get your oranges, get your mandarins, and that will give you a fantastic skin.
We always say beauty is from the inside anyway.
Yeah, it is.
And also grapefruit is a great way to actually keep yourself hydrated as well in the warmer weathers.
It also breaks down fat, by the way.
That's great.
Yeah.
So give us a like on this video and share it with your friends as well. And if you're on our YouTube channel, please do subscribe as well, so that you can get more useful information and videos from us every week. Right. Take care.
Have a great spring.
Bye-bye.